I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. Corn's up a few cents. Soybeans are about unchanged. The trade is bullish the corn market and bearish the soybean market. Farmers are going to store corn this fall, so that's going to be bullish for the corn market as well. We got one chart for you today, and it's a weekly chart on corn. Now take a look at this. If corn was going to trend lower or be in a bearish setup, you'd see 4, 5, 6 waves lower. Look at the support that the corn market is in, and hence my commentary this morning. And as we move forward and get into more of a technical trade, these will be important. Soybean market, you do have new contract lows in November beans this week, 855. Chinese purchases of U.S. soybeans, they're savvy traders. Soybeans are at lows, they come in and buy them. So soybeans are a little different. With the carryover in soybeans, it's going to be a little more harder to get through this and have more of a bullish scenario that I think we have in the corn market. You're going to see a lot of acres in soybeans in 2016. South America, with their currency problems and issues, they're going to plant fence post to fence post of soybeans, and we've already had 2 record soybean planting years in Brazil. We're looking at a third. So hence South America, North America, going to plant a lot of soybeans next year in 2016. Okay, so China driving all of the markets here. If I've learned anything about being around these markets all my life, it's the weakness in the equities and the stock indices in September and October. We're not even there yet. It's the end of August. So stay tuned. This is not going to go away. When the Dow is down 500, 600, 700 points, take a look at commodities. See which ones are trying to trade higher. Last Friday, rice was higher, for example. We have clients who trade rice. Monday, when the Dow dropped 1,000 points, wheat was higher. Corn was trying to trade higher. Soybean meal was trying to trade unchanged. So when we get back to a more normal related supply and demand type of commodity markets, these are going to be the winners. Pay attention to that. Okay, the Chinese. So a lot of traders, analysts, they gauge electricity usage for the economic growth in China. Is this data correct? I doubt it. So be careful. Reality, perception. Perception, reality. The reality is China is going to grow at 5%, not the 7, 8, 9% that the government wants. So trade a little smaller here in the next 30 days. Do not trade according to what you think the Chinese are going to do. And I'll leave you with this. At the end of the day, the Chinese people are going to eat, hence the demand for our soybeans and our grain. Have an excellent weekend. May involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.